You're at your wit's end. You've got a Ryobi string trimmer and you're trying to reload the string trimmer and it's stuck down inside there. How do you get the head cover off? Well, here's a hack. If we were just out, we would just line up the arrows, right? And send it through that way and then crank it up. But what if the string is down in there? Ryobi did not make it terribly easy for us to get the head off in order to get down at the spool. I'm trying to come up with a way to help make it easier for you guys. Now for this fix, you'll either need a pair of vice grips or a C-clamp and a long slender screwdriver. We're actually gonna clamp the screwdriver to the side of the shaft. Vice grip or the clamp is gonna give us a little extra hand strength for us to do that release of the head cover after we wedge it in there. We're gonna wedge it in there where our lock is, and we're gonna hold it in position so that we'll have two hands free. To push and twist. In order to put the head back on, I move my screwdriver to the other side of the shaft. Release the vice grip, put the screwdriver on the other side, and run it up and clamp it in position. I've seen a guy do a helpful video this way, but he holds the screwdriver with his feet. Didn't see that that was very helpful when I tried it. Clamp it right there. Hold that in position. Assemble our head. Make sure that spring is in the center, otherwise that bump feed will not feed. Line up your arrows. Push. And twist, locking it into place. So do me a favor, let me know if you tried this technique and if it worked for you, because I'm gonna keep working on it and try to come up with an answer. You keep watching Field Guide to DIY. I'll see you in the next video.